go to the code of value. Yeah, the source of value.
Oh,
Yeah.
it is a dictionary of dictionaries.
And they use this inner. What is that about?
I
Yeah.
don't think there is an object, right, Harsha? It like when we think of objects, the type in Aiken is a dictionary, correct?
Yeah. I mean, not, is it always a dictionary? I don't think it's always a dictionary, but yeah, it's an object of the type dictionary. Object of the type dictionary of dictionaries.
But the data structure, like in JavaScript, when you have an object or
Mm-hmm.
in any other language,
Mm-hmm.
what I would think of it as an object, I think in Aiken is a dictionary. Maybe that confuses people.
Maybe it
Mm,
is it?
I think it's just like a data, like a type constructor where which has a value, which has a field of inner, and that's why in the merge function we're using dot inner.